Here we have a system of two linear equations and we have to solve for x and y in the given system. Okay, so we have to use the method of substitution to solve the given system. Okay, so already the first equation is solved for y in terms of x, that is we have y equals to 5 negative 2x. Since y equals to 5 negative 2x, we can substitute this 5 negative 2x for y into the second equation. Then we will be getting the second equation only in the variable x, and we can solve for x easily. Okay, now let me do it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to substitute 5 negative 2x for y into the second equation. Then I'll be getting 5x negative 6 times for this y. So I'm going to substitute 5 negative 2x equals to 21. Okay, now we have this linear equation in only in the variable x. So we can solve for x easily in this equation. Okay, first let's simplify the expression we have on the left side. So for that I have to distribute this negative 6 to 5. Negative 6 times 5 will be negative 30. And negative times negative will become positive, and 6 times 2x will be 12x equals to 21. We have on the right side. Okay, now let's combine this 5x and positive 12x. It will become 17x negative 30 equals to 21. Okay, now so to solve for x, I have to isolate the variable x. That is, I have to get rid of all the values around the variable x. So first, let me get rid of this negative 30. For that, I have to add 30 to both sides. When I add 30 to both sides, negative 30 positive 30 will cancel out. I get 17x equals to 21 positive 30 is equal to 51. Okay, now to solve for x, I have to divide both sides by 17. So when I divide both sides by 17, the 17 will cancel out. 17 goes into 17 one time, 17 goes into 51 three times. So I get x equals to 3. Okay, now I have solved for x. So to solve for y, what I need to do is I have to plug in x equals to 3 into the first equation. So we have y equals to 5 negative 2x. So for this x we can plug in 3 because we got the value of x, that is x equals to 3. So we get y equals to 5 negative 2 times 3 is 6. 5 negative 6 is negative 1. So now I have solved for x and y, x equals to 3 and y equals to negative 1.